See, I always carry around a big crescent wrench here. Worst case scenario, you could get it with some channel locks. You know, adjust that to wherever you need, and you could use that. I like to grab it with the crescent, and I should be able to unscrew it, knowing that the vice grips are set under there, and they are. I think I have them tight enough that the rest of the body of this underneath is not going to spin. Okay, so I'm going to grab that righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Left, which it's funny, when I say left, I'm actually going to turn the handle to the right. But as you're looking at it, if you look towards the back, it's going to go to the left. Okay, so like you're loosening it up. Okay, so I'm gonna look at that. I gotta hold my mouth just right when I'm doing this. Come on. Nope. It's not going. Oh. Okay. Let me look at this and make it a deduction of which way the channel locks are moving underneath, or the vice grips. Oh, okay, I see what's happening. I see what's happening. So I've already turned this whole thing underneath away from where it was. And that's about where it was before, right in there. Okay. I have to reposition my, not my channel locks, but my vice grips underneath the sink so that they're not going to pull away. Okay, I do that and be right back and try this again. That's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.